Oh boy, how did I even get myself into this? I mean, I guess shit like this happen when you lonely as hell in the house. But yeah, I mean, I got myself a Porsche 911 Lego build, and this thing looks sick, man. I've been always wanting to do it because I mean, being in the house like pretty much all the time now, get bored, nothing else to do, so usually tend to look for something to do, and I've been running out of them, so this is something that I'm about to work on now. And I think it's gonna be interesting, man. It's gonna be fun building this. I think that's where my engineering career begins as well. So if I'm able to do this, watch out, man. The next Tesla may come out. Watch out, Elon. But where do I start? Yeah, this thing 1,580 pieces. Yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm ready, man. I got time right now. It's a snowing day. I'm tired. I'm just about to go outside and play with my little brothers in the snow, so should be fun. Let's get into it. Get access to my instructions book. Oh boy, I'm not used to reading instructions, man. This is a hefty instruction. It's a huge booklet. Dun 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 dun. Porsche 911. Dun 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 dun. Look how thick this booklet is, man. I'm not used to reading books, man. God dang. Yeah, I lied, man. I think this is gonna take me a whole long time. Oh boy. Look at the details, man. It's like I'm about to start constructing the whole engine system. See that? Damn. Oh. Fuck it, man. Let's do it. Hey, welcome back. So this is actually a different week because I wasn't able to get back to it last week, but hopefully we can get it finished today. I plan on sitting on this all day. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm gonna try. So I actually downloaded the app. Yeah, there's pretty much no difference between the app and the booklet. I was hoping that the app may have some video instructions, but that's pretty much a PDF version of the book, so the only thing it saves me is time to flip over those pages, so let's just get into it. Yo, look at this, man. Completed the first page. I'm psyched, man. Let's go. Oh man, took me at least 20 minutes to get this together, though. I think the hardest part is to get through all the pieces, to look for this tiny piece, look for all the pieces out of 1,000 pieces. I feel like the deeper I get into it, the more easier it becomes, but right now, like, to start, like, so many pieces, so it's gonna be hard, obviously. Well, one thing I've done after I opened some of the bags, I figured that some of these ones I'm not gonna need them for now, so I just put them back in the bag and put them away. And I have these on the desk right here that I'm working with right now. Let me show you. See, I have these on the coffee table that I may need as we're going along with the engine. So let's get back into it, man. I'm feeling good right now. So it's like I can say I'm 25% through. I got the base done. It's been it's a cool experience, man, to be honest. But it requires a lot of patience because some of the stuff are sort of like hard to find. But once you get deep into it, like it just get easier and easier for you to get through them. So I'm about to take a break now and get back to this again later. Gotta eat, man. Yeah, so I finally completed, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, but I'm gonna give a deeper review when I wake up in the morning because I'm about to go to sleep now. You can probably tell I need some sleep by the way I look and the way I sound. It's currently 6:45 a.m. and I was up all night basically trying to get this done tonight. So I'm happy that I finally did it. I don't have to get back to it, and yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys when I wake back up. So yeah, there you have it. 1,580 pieces later. It looks good, man. Feels like an accomplishment, to be honest. And it took me roughly about 10 hours to complete it, but it worth every single minute of the hours, to be honest. What I like about this project is the level of details, like with the door openings, the steering wheels and the tires, access to the engine, even the hump as well. Yeah, it feels really nice. Well, my best part of the project actually is the process of putting it together, like starting from scratch to like finished product like this. There's definitely a sense of accomplishment there, which I really like, and I do feel like I understand the engineering of cars as well, at least at the base level, because having to like construct the engine itself, connect it to the wheels, and connect the steering to the wheels, and see how all that coordinates, works together. It just I mean, that's something that I never like know before, and I believe it's pretty much similar to like actual cars. So I really like that about it, and I would definitely encourage anyone to do it if they haven't done so yet. You don't have to like start with like a huge amount of pieces like this one, because I know it could be very tedious for most people, especially the fact that they're so tiny. But you can start with a smaller one and you're gonna love it, trust me, man. And the good thing as well is once you get into it, you just get so involved into like want to get to the finish line of it. So yeah, there it is, and I hope you guys find value in this content. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for sticking to the end, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.